Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search on the TikTok application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok app on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, you can tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Corner and then proceed with using your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page from which you can scroll through various different feeds. Now, generally, you will find the topics that you're interested in based on what categories you selected while creating your account. But if the videos that are appearing while you scroll the feed does not match your preference and you wish to search for a particular kind of video, then you can find the search icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it and this will open the search box. Now, within the search box, you will find various different recommendations as well, which you can simply tap on if those topics interest you. Otherwise, you can simply type in whatever video or feed you are trying to see and tap on the search button. You can also find suggestions based on what you type when you type your search prompt. From there, you can discover various videos and clips as well. Once you find a video from the search box, you can watch the video, post comments, like the video, and also create a duet by using the share button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the search feature within the TikTok application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.